Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the products I used in this look. So I know it's been a while. I apologize. I've been out of town and trying to get my life. So anyway, I wanted to show you these products. This is a pretty simple, straightforward look, but I wanted to do something purple. So I used some eyeshadows from Terra Moon, Rose, what is it? Rose Petal? No. Pastel Rose UK, and this one is also, I think, Pastel Roses. So first of all, I started from a base that I used from P. Louise in Ecstasy, one of her paints, and that was on the lid. In the crease, I used my Wild Side eyeshadow palette from Believe, and I used, get it open, the let's see, Burlesque. That's the kind of pinkish color you see, like a blending color. And then I used Purple Haze in the crease. And then for the shimmers on the lid, I started with this color from Terra Moon called Alter Ego. See that shift? And then I used in the middle this color from Pastel Roses called Riverside, and it's just mostly like a straightforward purple. Don't think it has much of a shift. And then on the inner corner, I use Lagoon Nebula. This is a Pastel Roses UK. And I'm sure you can see that shift. Real pretty. By the way, my nails, I tried an ombre effect with my nails. These are polishes from Mooncat. And I apologize, I didn't bring them upstairs, but I'll tag the names of the colors as this color and then that color. And I kind of took a sponge and blended them so that they kind of look ombre, playing around. So that was on the lid. On the lower lash line, I just took a ColourPop liner in No Shame. This is one of their eyeliners. And then let me see, lips. I used Great Expectations from MAC liner, and then I used Violetta lipstick. For face, I primed with this primer that I'm trying. It's by, I found it on Instagram, and it's by Chill Lab. And I think I left the it's like, it looks kind of silicone based, but it's I left it in the bathroom. But this is the brand, and I also have it in a powder form. So I had the matte primer that's like liquid, I guess. I have that on first, but then I also have this that I can use for touch-ups. And then I applied my Danessa Myrix Yummy Skin number 9. I use my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder number 4. And for blush, I'm using La Femme blush in Grape and Orchid Ice. I use 2 of them. So I use the Grape and the Orchid Ice. I use these 2. And then for highlight, I'm using Becca's Blushed Copper. One of my all-time favorite highlighters. It's a rose gold. And I believe that is it. So for jewelry today, I am using a brand, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Umaya maybe. So they're black, I don't know if they call it black gold, black diamonds, but I got a ring from them. Really pretty. The earrings, necklace, and of course the bracelet. Really pretty. I just saw advertisements on social media and checked them out. So this is what I did to use to achieve this look. The tutorial will be linked below this video in case you wanted to check out that TikTok tutorial and the steps I took to achieve this look. And so I hope you like this look. I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching. Bye.